Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ezinne-Speaks store and this is Vlogmas Day something. I don't know when I'm going to post this video. So today we are creating content feeding a family of 3 with 1,500 naira. So yeah, let us go to the market and know what we can buy with 1,500. So let's go. Thank you, sir. Auntie G and wire. Hey, Kekibu. Nyagi 6. Nego ne. Imam bear me at 6 now. 650. 650. What to quiet for ma? Ozugo. I'm not showing you. Cutting my fish. Can't go. New cup cannot available. I brought two. One milk cup. Oh. Open camis. Okay, we're going. 150. One move. You want to get 50? Missing a go ne. 100. 150. Magaginzi. Wine beke. Mwakechi nata monka. Imezie ya. I've seen it now.
100, 200.
Can I get 100?
100. About 200.
No, I'm get 100 because.
Oye paki bara meje na ebere na abanye.
Mezikwa mi ofuma ko hare bo aja ka ikote. Ma so guys, I'm done cooking. I think I will just attach the picture. I'll just show you. It's kind of dark. So this is what I made. This is what I made. White rice and stew and white rice and vegetable stew. Yeah, we had rice in the house. So every other thing you saw me buying amounted to 1,500 on the dot. Of course, you will see the breakdown on this video. So yes, until next time, do stick on and enjoy your time. Bye bye.